Hello my friends, I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is Transcendental Consciousness and Untapped Source of Happiness. There is a primal source of happiness from which spreads all the happiness. There is a primordial source of energy from which energy emanates. There is a primal source of serenity and peace from which peace spreads in the world. From a tiny seed grows the big tree. From the tiny atom develops the molecules. So see, all the gross dimension of our life comes from the subtle strata of creation. The field of transcendental consciousness is the field of infinite possibilities. It is very, very subtle. Your gross conditioned mind cannot contact this field. The moment you learn to connect this field, your life will be full of bliss, happiness and joy. For our forthcoming seminars and workshops on transcendental consciousness, please stay tuned with us. Please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell. Namaste, namaste, namaste.